everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. This week's theme is farm animals. In our dramatic play area, we have our wooden farm set out as well as some tractors and farm animals. On our flannel board, we have our Old MacDonald Had a Farm felt set, and I will put a link to where I got this set in the description. One of our finger plays will be Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and I found these real fun finger puppets that we will use while we are reciting the song. And some of the books that we will be looking at and reading is Farmyard Friends Sheep, Big Red Barn, Oink Moo How Do You Do, and Barnyard Banter. At our Science and Exploration Center, I have some picture cards of the farm, the farmer, the windmill, the tractor, and the hay. And I have the link to these printables for you in the description. I also made these Old MacDonald sensory bottles, which have different animals inside them for the children to look at and say what sound that animal makes. I also have these Melissa and Doug latch boards, the farm, that the children love, and I purposely have two so that the children can work together on it. In the dramatic play area, we have lots of cowboy hats. We have our barn up there in the window. We have a barbecue going on, and we have some dress-up accessories as well as some foam farm animal headbands that the children can wear. One of our fine motor activities is going to be drawing a line from the colored animal to the black and white animal. This is helping them learn how to move from left to right, which they will need for reading and for writing. And they also can color in the black and white animal if they choose. I will have the link to this printable as well as the other printables in the description, so make sure to check them out. At our writing table, I have some farm color pages. On our light table, I have our Melissa and Doug counting farm set. On the easel, I cut a barn out of white paper, and the children are then going to use red paint and some fun little, they're kind of like little interesting sponges that they will use that have handles on them they can use to apply the paint to the paper. For one of our art activities, we are going to take this pig printable, and we are going to be using golf balls or marbles, I haven't decided yet, and we're going to put them into paint, put the whole thing into a box lid, and they can tip it back and forth so the marbles will paint the pig pink. In our sensory bin, we have corn, and we have scoops, we have tractors and trailers, farmers, and farm animals. At our activity table, we have some printables that I've created. These ones, they have to put them in order according to the numbers, or they can figure it out by the picture and then look down at the numbers. It's a great way for young children to start to recognize the order of numbers while putting the picture together. And then I also created this printable over here where they match the big animal to the small identical animal. Again, the link to these printables is in the description. And at our Play-Doh table, we have our orange Play-Doh, and then we're going to use chunky farm stamps to press into the Play-Doh. And then we also have some different rolling pins and slicers at the table as well. So that's how our classroom is set up for our 2 and 3-year-olds for our farm theme this week. Thanks for watching.